Model, 66-plate Mercedes Sprinter 311 CDI long wheelbase Euro 6. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 162,156. Engine, 2,143 cc 651 112 HP Mi1. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, this will run but the engine is knocking so will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, reversing camera, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.